Hello viewers, so this is my fidget cube that I made. I'm going to teach you some steps that you can follow. Okay, first step is this line. Second step is the number 1. And then square, sunbed, L7, and also there's something really cool. This cross thingy over here, and there's also this thing, lightning. And then it's a propeller broken. And that's all, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it.
How did you make it?
I made it so, for example, I put, you need 4 blocks, 4 wooden blocks, you see? And then you put on tape, and then you do whatever you want to do with the fidget cube, and then voila! It's fidget cube. Bye all viewers. I'll see you next time about more videos of this fidget cube. Bye, see you later.